today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have a panini grill here which I want to unbox with you. Then after the unboxing, we will go in my kitchen and we're gonna make sandwich. Okay, so this grill is from Bella and it's a panini grill. It's a bistro at home, so it's for home use. Okay, all right guys, if you love to make sandwiches and things like that, especially my young one, they like sandwiches. Okay, my daughter, so I just thought I should get a panini grill so I can able to make those sandwiches at home instead of ordering from the restaurant or buying from the restaurant. So this grill, I got it I think during the holiday period last year and I never got to use it. Okay, so now since we are on lockdown, we cannot order from the restaurant or all those things, and she was like, "Mommy, let's use the grill now." And I said, "Oh yes, that's a good idea." So I just brought it out now for us to use. Okay, so I thought let me do an unboxing and show you. If you have younger ones who like sandwiches and things like that, this is another way to go. Okay, we can always make our food at home more healthy, more delicious. Okay, so guys, let's open it up. I already took out the styrofoam. Okay, it's not as if this is my first time opening. It comes with this little container here. I think this container is to catch any grease or anything that comes out from your protein that you'll be using for your sandwich. Okay, so in here there's a manual, a little booklet you can read, and in this booklet comes with different sandwich recipes that you can make as well. Okay, and the usage of the grill and how to clean and things like that. Okay, that's what you have in here. Another one here is also from the company Bella. Just say a thank you for the purchase. Okay, so let's take the grill out now. So guys, this is what it looks like. So pretty, right? And it has the low, medium and high thermostat over here. This is so pretty. Here it has like a hinge that you can use to close it down or open it up. Okay, so it opens up like so. Alright, so when you make your sandwich, it will have those grill marks on it, and this is coated. Okay, just like a non-stick. It's a non-stick coated grill. Oh, I really like this. Okay guys, so this is the little unboxing. I think this is to tighten it up to get all your sandwich in there while it's grilling. Okay guys, so let's go to my kitchen and let's go make sandwich. So guys, we'll be making the sandwich now. Okay, so I'm gonna be using regular sliced bread. This is the one the kids like. Okay, then for me, I'm gonna be using flat bread. I like this flat bread because it's kind of healthy, and with this one you can make at least 3 sandwich out of it. Okay, and I have here lettuce, tomatoes, onion, deli sliced cheese. I have ham, turkey breast, and also I have mayo. Okay, so I'm gonna be using mayonnaise for it as well. All right, so come along with me, let's go and make the sandwich. So guys, I put on the panini maker. Okay, I put it on just to heat up, and when it lights up, that means it's ready to be used. Okay, so get out bread. So then I will use my mayonnaise and spread on the bread. Just like so, a little bit, guys, don't put too much. Okay, after you've put in the mayonnaise on the bread like so, then you open the panini press. See how smoky it is? That means it's ready to be used. Okay, guys, this first one I'm making is gonna be for the kids. They don't like you know what I mean, they don't like vegetables and things like that. So I'm just gonna put it on the grill like so. Get their lunch meat. This is turkey. This turkey breast. Okay, put the turkey breast on it. So you put the turkey breast on it, then put the top of it, top it all off and close it down. You can hear it sizzling, right? When it starts to sizzle like that, then it's working. So we're gonna leave it for like maybe 2 to 3 minutes, okay, until it's ready. So guys, let's check it now. Okay, I forgot to tell you the function of this is to hold the panini press. Okay, depending on how big or how the size of the bread. Okay, so this helps you to hold the cover down. Okay, so we open it up like so, and I guess it's ready now, guys. You can see. So we're gonna take it out. It's ready, it's ready, it's ready. See? It's so hot. One have to be careful when taking it out. So guys, this is the first sandwich I made for the kids, just the mayo and the turkey breast. Okay, so guys, this is what the kids will be having. I just cut it into rectangular shapes, okay, or triangular shapes, sorry. So the kids will be having this with juice, with hot chocolate, whatever, you know, you can serve them with it. Okay, okay guys, let's make the grown-up sandwich now. Okay, so I'm going to use my flat bread like I told you. All right, so just take one out. It's 2 in a pack. Okay, so we take one out and get a knife. This the same knife I use for the kids. Okay, so you can at least one bread will make at least can cut it into 3 like I'm doing like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna be using this 2 for 1 person. Okay, so if you want to make for 2 person, you have to cut more bread. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of the mayonnaise, spread it on. Okay, just like so. So this goes in the press, okay, and put it in the middle. All right, then I get some cheese. I like some cheese, okay guys. So one cheese is okay for me. Then I get my ham. I like black forest ham, guys. I really love it. Okay, so if you are somebody who doesn't like ham, you can do chicken, you can do tuna, you can do whatever you like. Okay, so I get my ham, guys, and I put it on it. Okay, just like so. I hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. All right, so I go with my lettuce, then with my tomatoes, okay, and I now go with my cheese, then I put the bread on top of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover it and let it cook. Okay, so you have to use this little thing to help you hold this, otherwise it's not gonna stay right. Okay, so while that is cooking, guys, let me just go now and clean up. Okay, so guys, please forgive me if you hear kids music or cartoon going on. Is my little one. Okay, so guys, let's look at it now. Wow, can you see how beautiful that sandwich looks? Mommy, so we're just gonna take it out now. Okay, I'll take it out. Wow. Ooh, it's so hot. You see how beautiful it is, guys. Very light and healthy. You can eat this any time of the day. You know, I eat it mostly for lunch. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn off the grill now. Then I'm gonna cut this into two halves. Okay, so guys, this is my sandwich. So guys, I also want to make a milkshake, so I can use that with my panini. Okay, so I have about 4 strawberry here. I have vanilla ice cream over here. Okay, so I'm just going to use my NutriBullet and just make some strawberry milkshake. Okay, so I'm just going to slice the strawberry inside the blender. Okay, strawberry goes in the blender like so. Strawberries are so cheap right now. Okay, I got a pack for at least 129. I got a pack of strawberries, so you can always use strawberry now. Mmm, so delicious, guys. So I will get 2 scoops of the vanilla ice cream. Just 2 scoops, guys. Okay, then I will get some almond milk. Okay, put some almond milk in it. Then I'm gonna put it in the blender to blend up. So guys, my strawberry milkshake is ready now. Okay, so I just blended it up in the blender, you know. All right, so that's it, guys. So guys, this is just gonna be my meal. Okay, so I have my sandwich, panini sandwich here, and I have my strawberry milkshake. Okay, so very easy to make at home. Okay, since we are quarantined, the restaurants are closed, you can as well make this at home for yourself, for your family. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.